We are one of only about 14 MakerBot Innovation Centers across the country, the first and only one currently in Georgia. And we've printed over 500 prints and are really starting to gear up now, working with all different disciplines across campus as well as members of the community.
From a foot away, you can't even tell that this is 3D printed. And you can see the level of detail, not just in the skull, but also in the dentition and the different muscle attachment areas of the skull. So the students were really able to look at this and examine and see specific adaptations that different primate groups had skeletally and compare those to one another to really start to understand primates and how they've evolved. The immediacy that it provides, the cost benefits it provides, and then also the accuracy and the realism. I mean, I really see it as a win-win situation. I feel so lucky to have had this. It provides a lot of opportunities to print things beyond what you might initially think about printing. And again, the students really love seeing these different sorts of things. And who doesn't want to compare their hand to a chimpanzee hand?
So students are continually impressive with their variety of invention. We've printed all kinds of objects from toys essentially to assistive devices to help paralyzed children. We've really run the gamut from models of molecules to primate skulls